I'm in Allen, Texas, and they have a leak in their attic near the furnace vent. This is the furnace vent. We also call it a flue pipe. And if you watch, it's just moving a lot. And this rain collar is loose and it hasn't been sealed. So that's what's leaking, so we need to secure that and go ahead and seal it. This big one right here is kind of the same way. We'll take care of that and seal around all these pipes and vents. Most of the plumbing boots need to be sealed. They're still okay. They're not at the point where they need to be replaced. That's still fitting real tight and everything. The paint's just coming off. So I think within the next couple of years they probably need to replace them, but right now that's all we need to do. And just have one shingle missing right over there. Other than that, the roof's in good condition.